Welcome back to another wild and crazy video. Today we're talking about some of the dumbest drivers out there. The kind who clearly don't care about traffic rules or anyone else's safety. It's like the road is their personal playground, and everyone else just has to deal with it. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will make you say, what the heck were they thinking? Car explosion.
Holy shit. Wasn't even fucking looking.
I was on the correct lane, but a lady entered from the wrong side and blocked the way. She got aggressive just because I'm not a Manchester citizen. Is it right to misbehave with someone just because they're from another country?
It's my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. So you have to see when you're coming down. Where I move? Why? Come on, fuck up.
In Brooklyn, New York, traffic was completely jammed. There wasn't even an inch of space. Still, a car driver tried to force his way in and ended up hitting an SUV from behind. When the SUV driver got out to talk, the guy almost tried to run him over and sped off at full speed. Is this kind of road rage normal now?
Holy shit. Shoot, what happened?
Oh, I don't know, a flat tire?
Oh, I'm so glad we weren't in the middle of that. Holy cow, we gotta go help some people, babe, if we can.
Holy crap.
Get my shoes on. Let's go make sure everybody's okay. Especially
Stay in the car, kids. Do not...
going on. So by the time this guy takes his 16%, this company takes its 10%, this guy takes his 8%, I think that's where they're...
Visibility and control over your financials, HR, inventory, e-commerce, and more. Join us using NetSuite right now.
Yeah! Fucking yield, asshole!
At netsuite.com/Fox. netsuite.com/Fox.
The president's prime time address comes the day after he directed the U.S. government to get 100 million more doses of the Johnson & Johnson one-shot vaccine.